Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in the Denali trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather bucket seats, GPS navigation, a powered sunroof. We have a power sliding third rear window, Bluetooth, chromed aluminum rims, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, driver's seat memory above. Below we have power folding mirrors, power locks, power windows, and our rear window lock. Some storage as well as our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Integrated trailer brake controller to the left of our steering wheel. Transfer case settings, our display cluster, and outside lighting controls. Moving down the side of the driver's seat, we can see that we have our power controls. You can see our seat here finished in our beige leather with our Denali trim on the headrest. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, as well as our heated steering wheel. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our display cluster information in the center of our steering wheel. Moving to our infotainment system, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio in our audio, phone connection, our GPS navigation, also have settings, our text, radio, media, home and back hotkeys in the bottom, CD MP3 player in the bottom, volume control is the left, menu on the right, seek buttons in the center. We put the vehicle into reverse, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as our auto lowering mirrors. On the left-hand side, we have our cooled seat, heated seat back, as well as heated seat cushion and back, and the same with the passenger seat. Dual zone climate control, we have AC, front and rear defrosters as well. Across the bottom, power adjustable pedals, traction control, high beam lighting, front and rear park sensors, lane departure warning, as well as downhill assist. Then we have various power plugs across the bottom, so left to right, 3 USBs, 2 12-volt plugs, and a 120-volt plug. We have some storage below that, 2 cup holders, center console with storage up top, lever on the front in chrome finish. You can see we have some deep storage, driver side a 12-volt plug, passenger side our SD slot, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary input. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it's also our beige leather, powered, heated, vented, and with our Denali trim. Moving above the rear view mirror, on the outsides, we have our dome lighting controls for the front of the vehicle, universal garage door opener, our tilt sliding power sunroof, power sliding third rear window, controls for the dome lighting for the whole vehicle, a sunglass holder, as well as our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have our chromed aluminum rim with a GMC center cap and our Goodyear Wrangler tire. Moving out, we have our chrome mirror caps, as well as chrome door handles and a chrome assist step. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper step. You can see all the way at the back, we have our GMC badging in red, Sierra and Denali badging in chrome, trailer hitch at the bottom in black. Have our backup camera on the bottom of our tailgate, which we can see finished with a chrome handle. Bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs in the front and the back, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control. The rest of the door has some storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, in the back of the driver's seat, we have more speakers, as well as a storage pocket. Between the two seats, we have some storage in the top and bottom, as well as a 12-volt plug, storage pocket, and speakers in the back of the passenger seat as well. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see they are also finished in our beige leather that matches the front of the vehicle. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. Behind it, a power sliding third rear window. Moving down, we can lift up these seats by simply pulling up on the bottom to make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2015 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.